Hey everyone, how's it going? I just wanted to drop this video as a celebration to all of us in the Chef Vic Cuisine family. We reached one of the first major milestones on this YouTube journey. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. Give it up for yourselves, come on. I'm overwhelmed by all the positivity, the love and support you guys throw my way. The passion I have for cooking is worth even more in so many ways now. And just seeing you guys try my recipes and enjoying them yourselves has been nothing but a blessing to me. In this next stage of my YouTube journey, I hope to be able to use my small platform as a way to provide a positive environment for my fellow chefs, tips on cooking techniques, helpful information on creative entrepreneurship and what I've learned along the way, and as well as more recipes for my cookbooks. Each of these, of course, all in good time. I just can't wait to share all this information with you all. I want to give a few special thank yous in this video. Thank you to my family and my friends for all the support along this cooking journey. I see every like, comment, and share, and it's so appreciated. I want to thank Mastool TV for being my first subscriber. I want to thank Kareem for being my 100th, and I want to thank you all for getting me to 1,000. There are a few YouTube chefs I also want to give a special shout out to, because not only have you supported me, but you've inspired me with your work ethic, your positivity, and of course your delicious food creations. Philip Lemoine, I just want to say you have high quality video production, a great personality, and of course you can make some amazing dishes as well. I also want to thank you for your generation of the Facebook group, YouTube Cooking Creators, a community of fellow chefs like me and so many of you out there. I highly suggest reaching out to this group as it's filled with so many great chefs and YouTubers within. I want to list a few other of my fellow YouTube chefs. Please, when you get a chance, check out their channels because there's so many more delicious recipes to see. And also feel free to pause the video when their information comes up, but I'll be sure to leave a link to all the information in my description box. To my fellow cooks, I hope my small platform can bring some positive energy and viewership to your channels because I believe you all deserve it. And to those that are not on this list, please do not feel discouraged. I plan on continued support efforts and giveaways in the near future as well. With that being said, I want to give a few special shout outs. First up being Cooking with Anadi, Simply Wendy, Live, Love, Bake, Rhubarb and Cod, Mama's Mini Kitchen, Kind Old Gentleman, Molly Purcell, Chef Terry Shampoo, Brian's Blues Kitchen, Swag Life TV, The Silly Kitchen with Sylvia, Backyard Smoke, Welcome to the Nash House, Darlene's Kitchen, SG, Christina Nicole, ASMR, Still Single Stephanie, Cooking with Chef Rich, Black Mom Who Whines, and Nada Knows Best. Thank you all so much again. Cheers to you for hitting 1,000 subscribers. We did it, and I can't wait to see where we're heading next. As always, you can check out more recipes on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.